Box 2 packing list. Again, it's for me. It's my Mazda Rx-7 FD. It's from USA. It's a premix measuring bottle VIP kit. When you premix your Mazda Rx-7 FD engine, you use this kit. A sticker, import club tuning. The quality of the sticker is very nice. Rotary bomb, import club tuning card, and a rag. What's so special about this rag? And the funnel says capless gas tank funnel for easier pouring of the premix oil. So you'll have your premix oil ready whenever you use your Rx-7. You just bring this case with you. Okay, let's pack this up. Very nice container. Next is these are Mazda Rx-7 FD SakeBomb Garage brake lines, steel braided brake lines. SakeBomb Garage, very nice quality. It includes the banjo bolt and the copper washers. Very nice quality. I'm not gonna open up this yet because I'm not gonna use it for now. The parts inside might get lost because of the small banjo bolts and the copper washers. Next is, this is, I guess, a clutch line, also for the Mazda Rx-7 FD. It's a steel braided clutch line, also from SakeBomb Garage. Very nice. It's steel braided and it's like coated with a clear plastic, unlike the common steel braided lines. Next is this is the what you call this, combination switch cover, upper and lower. It's a used one for the Mazda Rx-7 FD left-hand drive. It includes this metal ring for the ignition key. I think it's colored with a flat black. The plastic tabs here are broken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tabs are broken. Only one unbroken tab is left. I think the rest should look like this. To insert its corresponding holes on the lower part of this combination switch cover. And the locking tab, we have 1, 2, 3 locking tabs that are broken. The locking tab should look like this. 1, 2, 3. 3 broken and 3 still left here. But it's still usable. Next is, it's just the screws. It's the screws for this combination switch cover, but I think it's not the original combination switch screws. I'm gonna find out later when I'm about to install this. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, there's none anymore inside.